welcome back to the channel. Today we are back on the extension in Nottingham. No, we're not in Nottingham, we're in Sheffield. And today Jack, Jake and I are going to be sending all the block work pretty much up to 9 courses, hopefully to 100 depending on how wobbly the walls are. We're going to start setting up our starter packs as per usual, set all of our tray details and then just get stuck in for the day. Number 1. There, good. Hey, it's like a skateboard. Sick. Massive, aren't they? Yeah. Really big. No idea. What is it? 450 kilos? Yeah. That's not that bad. We've just taken delivery of the massive steels which are spanning the entire length of this house, and we've got the goalpost system as well. There was a slight delay on the steels themselves, so we had to keep this job moving forward, so we had to do all the boarding and all of the joists going on. So it would have been really nice to do the knock through and everything while we was on a solid concrete base, but it is what it is. Jobs don't always run as we want, do they, Jack? Never. They never do. So in the future we will be putting them in, but God knows when. Yes, but for now I shall carry on building this blockwork. So we've just laid our first couple course of block, one below DPC, one just above. We're setting out our tray detail. Now this is just actually a 300mm drop down tray because of how the stonework works and how all the floor joists work. So we've had to cut down some insulation to 300mm. What's he chewed? He's chewed it with his teeth. Jack and I are going to start blasting this up while Jake goes to go get a load more insulation because we didn't encounter having to cut down quite a few, so we've got a little bit of wastage. So we're going to get stuck in on this one, and then a little bit we're going to start blasting on that one. Making a start on the beam fill here. We've got about 8 380s to put in all along here, and then what we have is just a normal block to go all the way through that, what Jack is very kindly going to lay for us. This wall here, I've only been able to get 6 courses on it because the 150mm cavity insulation is just really pushing everything up and over. So we need to come back to this in a little while and then put on the extra couple of courses, which is no bother, but at the moment it's all wanting to kink out in the middle, so I'd rather not send it up and make sure that the quality is actually really decent. Wow, unbelievable, tremendous work, good stuff. Mate, I've seen the weather for next week. It's like 27.
26 degrees on that Friday.
Oh, tremendous.
I'm not working that Saturday. I've got busy all the time. It's one of my mates who does it.
It's not his days, is it?
No, you definitely don't want to go to his barber.
I don't.
He's done really well for himself.
If you cut one at, let's say 500mm, please, just normal cut. Badass, mate. Say again. Yo. Nice one, dude.
basket behind you. That other spot as well.
Thank you, bud. Lovely. Jake, you're good to lay.
I'll put another mix on there.
No, don't even bother. Just get there. Because if you put another mix on, you'll just end up getting distracted. I'd rather you just get your trowel out and start slashing it about.
Okay.
God. And I'll give you a wicked tip. That is 100 mil. See the width of that? That's 100 mil.
Alright, so.
So all you got to do is, say you want to make a 100 mil cut.
Yeah.
So you put it to the edge of your block, turn it. There you go, and then you've got it. Yeah? You can have that one for free.
Nice, mate. Appreciate it.
It's alright. Oh my god, that sun is amazing. You reckon I can... Is this top off weather? Could be. It really is, to be fair. Thinking, here you go for it.
That is just.
The tan's mental,
It's just
isn't it?
like you've got a fucking racing stripe on your back.
It's not great, is it? But that itself, I can't see the reflection. That is pretty dark.
It is pretty dark. Your arms up.
And because I only did that, it's not the best though.
It's not terrible. It's not. It's definitely.
It's not great. I wouldn't go out in public. Well, I am, but I'm with the boys. Oh, God. Fucking me. Rats. Oh, that's so much better. That new insulation.
Yeah.
Yeah. It also helps that I set the cavity at 160
Yeah,
rather than 150.
Good shout.
Because as soon as it opens, it starts expanding.
Got the cut, but the other side of it's really like.
Oh my fuck. Sorry.
I cut that one.
No, it's fine. When you do a cut on a reveal, you can't have two shit sides. You need one good side.
Okay.
Sorry, mate. Sorry. I should have told you. Hold on. Remember what I said about holding your trowel more like that to stop the smearing? That's all. Cool. Next one.
Still got the slap clips on.
Yeah, you still got it, mate. You still got it. Such a good guy. Got an amazing hod carrier over there, just going absolutely mental. I love it. That's loads better. Lovely. Not bad. Yeah. Thanks. That's sound. That's really good. Next one. Oop. See what needs to happen, can't you?
Yeah, it's just this bottom bit needs to come
Yeah.
over a bit.
So the best way to do it really might be able to pick it up tight into it. Yeah. Because sometimes you can't like get the block to do what you want with your trowel.
Yeah.
So I was taught like lay it like 95% with your hands,
And then just
and then the
finish it
trowel
off.
is just to finish it off. that. Right. 1 second, 1 second, something's weird. How are you slapping it just? Like that. That's wrong. Like that. Yeah?
Like that.
Yeah, so you just do a little flick of the wrist and you tap them down.
Okay.
It's weird to tap it.
Yeah.
That is just weird.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. So, what I might do is just get rid of this one spot here for a moment.
Cool.
When I'm building out this corner.
Nice.
Gives us access to those blocks there.
Fantastic.
There we go. The problem is that there's not enough room for 3 bricklayers to be on trowel. Like,
Okay, so you can just about get away with 2 on this.
yeah, just about.
Just, yeah.
Nice one. Nice. And then in all fairness, it's about to go back down to 1 because I've got windows and doors there. Nature of the beast. We'll get this up to 9 now and then call it a good day. Okay, which is really good. Saying you've not laid for a while. Check them with a level. Yeah, the sound, it's not bad at all. If anything, the course below was like a bit.
It's me.
Nah, it's the insulation, it's instantly kicked it out a little bit. But overall, they're really nice. Well done, boys. Really good stuff. Let's hear it for Jack. Great stuff, man.
Had you swimming inside my affection, but with you I came second. So I cut off the connection, and now you're calling me, holding your heart there inside your hands. You say I'm where you wanna be, but you're out of chances. No, you don't get to come back, crying over the love that you had. Maybe nice try, maybe next time you'll hold on to what you have. No, you don't get to show up, teary-eyed saying I'm all you want. Maybe nice try, maybe next time you won't sleep on a good love. Keep on talking, but I'm already gone. You had your shot, but you went about it all wrong. Tried to pull you in close, eyes were locked on your phone. Now you're sour, cause I'm moving on. Oh, you're showing up at my door, holding your heart there inside your hands. Baby, I could have been all yours, but you're out of chances. No, you don't get to come back, crying
Pretty much where we're leaving it for today. All the block work went up 9 courses or 2 100 because we were 75mm higher. Yes. We were 75mm higher than the finished floor level, so we're already at 2 100 with 9 blocks, which is fantastic. This went all up. This pillar's gone up ever so slightly, but it's still really, really wobbly. Pointed the face, pointed the back, brushed the face. Even dogs. Oh, I would say it's impressed, but it's clearly not. It's fucked off. But yeah, that's pretty much where we're leaving it for today. We're going to be back here next week once the scaffold goes up. 2 more days, and then we're going to be thinking about trying to get these steels in, which will be very difficult, but no bother for us. So we will catch you next time. Thank you very much for watching. Sorted.